We're going to do something interesting tonight. We're going to look at this take some of these gizzards and hearts, throw them in the air fryer and see what happens. Also, we're going to go ahead and cook these Italian meatballs and this pork sausage here and see what it turns out to be. But there's some nutritional value to this stuff, and in this next slide here I'm going to share with you guys the nutritional value of gizzards and hearts, and just regular good clean pork sausage and Italian meatballs. And we're going to see what is good in these. I shall return. Alright, the first batch is only in there for about 10 minutes, 10-12 minutes. It's finished. Looks wonderful. Let's get on to the second batch, the gizzards and hearts. Okay, here we are. We got another batch of food going in. This is gizzards. I'm going to do 10 minutes at 400 again. Let's see how it turns out. Alright, this is 10 minutes. Let's see what we got. Alright. I'm going to call that good for my liking. I don't like mine crispy. I like mine just a little chewy, but done. That's done.